Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just getting ready to go back to New York today. Last night I went out, had a good time with the girls, but right now it's a beautiful day outside. Look at my makeup, it's so cute. I look cute today. I'm feeling this, you know, I love pink, so it's just a vibe. But anyway, today I'm going back to my sister's house to get my boys. We're gonna go trick-or-treating with them and all that good stuff. So yeah, let me finish getting ready actually. And also the glasses came. Show y'all. The black ones, these right here. I don't know if I should bring them with me. I should wear them today. Let's see, hold on. Trying to get them side over here. It's not, all right, there we go. That's the vibe, which I think what type of energy is given. Yes, this is what it is today. I'm gonna have a purse. I don't know if I should put, if I should keep these light jeans on, or if I should put dark jeans. I probably should change it to some dark. Let me see. I always want to do something last minute. Put some dark jeans on. I feel like dark would be better. So let me change these. Yeah, I feel like, yeah, this right here, the dark goes better with the pink. So, yeah, I feel like the dark is better. The dark, yeah, I like the dark. Okay, I'm in the taxi now on my way to New York. I got the boys. Well, they took their costumes. They had 2 sets of costumes. They took their costumes with them yesterday, but they have this right here. It's like a blow-up costume. They're trick-or-treating buckets. So it's pretty mad. So yeah. These glasses will be added to the site. This would be for the relaunch as well. Glasses. Yeah, I'm paying cash. I'll pay you when I arrive.
When you get there?
Yes.
Huh?
I will pay you when I arrive at the destination.
Oh, no. We're not working like that.
What?
We're not working like that. You have to pay. When you make a long distance, you have to pay first.
What type of shit? I never heard of this in my life. What do...
Your door is not closed, and then...
What do you... Hold on. You think that I'm...
No.
You think that I'm going to go to New York and not pay you?
That's the rule. That's the rule for the city and for the base. When you make that long distance, you out with the city, so the customer has to pay first.
What in the world? I've never heard of this in my life. Never heard of this in my life. Okay, sir. Not a problem.
Okay.
I don't understand what is the deal.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me let me call this company. Okay, so I'm about to show Joseph and Aiden how to haul down a yellow cab in New York City. Okay, New York City style. So first things first.
I'll look up that on YouTube.
Oh, look, a cab right here. That's how you haul it down. Hello. I swear to you, that was the most fastest yellow cab that I ever hauled down in my life. Okay. So we're on our way home to New Jersey. Say hey. What is today?
Halloween.
And where did we just come from?
This house.
Yes, we can do it again.
Minecraft. This house.
It's so funny.
I've been practicing my ghost voice.
Clearly.
Hey, driving out there. Look at this.
You guys have a good day.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like.
Joseph and Aiden.
Yeah, we did.
Aiden.
Guys, we have a mining class.
The magnifying glass. Yeah, so now we're just on our way back to New Jersey. Oh my God, the city is so beautiful. I have